I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox group mobile. To begin, simply open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once inside, navigate to the main menu, usually found by tapping the three lines or a similar icon. From there, locate and select the Groups option. You'll then see a button labeled Create Group. Tap this to start your journey. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use, allowing you to establish your community in just a few taps. Next, you'll need to give your group an identity. First, choose a unique and memorable name that reflects your community's theme. Then, craft a compelling description that clearly explains what your group is all about and what members can expect. Finally, upload a distinctive group emblem. For the best appearance, aim for an image size of 188 by 188 pixels. This visual representation will be the first thing many potential members see, so make it count. Now, let's dive into the settings to customize your group further. You can adjust the group's privacy, deciding whether it's public for anyone to join or private, requiring approval. Next, configure different group roles and assign specific permissions to each rank, giving you fine-grained control. You can also set up group funds and manage payout settings, which is essential for any group activities involving Robux. These options empower you to tailor your group exactly how you envision it. Finally, with your group created, it's time to manage and grow your community. You can easily invite friends and other players to join directly from your mobile device. Keep your group active and safe by moderating group activity and managing member requests on the go. Don't forget to utilize group shouts to communicate important announcements, events, or updates to all your members instantly. These tools make managing your Roblox group from anywhere incredibly convenient and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.